Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why you got those two files here? Okay, hiberfil.sys and then pagefile.sys. So those two files here, they really take a lot of space on your laptop and computer. Okay, and you wonder why do you have them? So do you delete them? I'm gonna tell you how to turn them off and reduce them so they won't take a lot of space on your computer or laptop. Let me show you something here. I got this software here. I'm going to scan my C drive. You can see here, it really find those two files. This one is using 3 gig. This one is using 21 gigabyte, which is a lot. Okay. So this software I built here, just protect them, telling me do not delete them. If I show you my C drive, this is my C drive. You can see I got only 3.94 gig. Okay, so let me show you something. So what you can do here is to turn this one off. But if you turn this one off, the computer will start up slowly. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You're gonna right click here on the start button, right click, and then you click terminal as admin. 1 minute, click yes, and then you run it. So when PowerShell open, you're gonna type power, okay, CFJ, I think this one they call it, and you type HIBER net space off, and then double check, that's correct, and then you press enter, it's off. Now if you want to turn it on later on, and I just copy this one here, select it, Control C, you paste it here, and then you say on, and then you press enter. Me, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, let's go check my hard drive again and see. Now you can see my hard drive here. Now I got 6.93 gigabytes. Okay, remember I was only having 3. If I go back to that software of mine, if I stop it and scan it again, you probably won't see this 3 gig here. I'm gonna say scan. You can see that 3 gig are gone. Now we got a file that really got a lot of space, 21 gig. Okay, this file, it uses the virtual memory. When your physical memory on the laptop, it all use, the laptop will use the virtual memory. So do not delete it. So what we can do is to reduce this maybe to 2 gig without deleting it. But remember, Windows might change it automatically. Okay, let's do this. So you press the Windows logo on your keyboard plus R, and then you type this exactly how it is. Okay, you press OK. From here, you come to Advanced. So under Advanced, you click where they say Performance, and then Setting. From here, you come to Advanced again. And here is a say virtual memory. You click Change. Okay. As you can see here, automatically manage paging file. You unstick here. You select the C drive. Do not select any other drive. From here, you click custom size. I'm gonna reduce really almost 2 gig. So I'm gonna say initial, I'm gonna say 4048. But remember one thing, you need to know exactly your laptop memory size. My laptop is a 16 gig RAM. Okay, so I'm going to fix this to 2 gig maximum. I'm gonna say also 248. Set. I'm gonna click OK. They're gonna ask you to restart your computer. Click OK, and then you click OK. So I'm gonna restart my computer, and then I will show you exactly what has changed. Okay, remember here my hard drive now is at 6 gig. Let's restart this laptop. So after restarting my laptop, you can see now here I got 26 gigabyte free from my hard drive. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.